Hey, true, bet that up for the track. We gonna take it to the top, and that's the truth. Truth hurts.
What's up, guys? Looking for an easier way to keep your home spotless? Robot vacuums and mops handle daily cleaning while you relax. With smart navigation, powerful suction, and hands-free stations, they save time, reduce effort, and deliver fresh floors every day. Choose one today and upgrade your lifestyle. So, let's get started. Number 7 is Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop. Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop brings powerful, hands-free cleaning to your home. Now available with an impressive 41% discount at around $415. Designed to vacuum carpets and hard floors while sonic mopping at the same time, it delivers deep, efficient results. Matrix Clean technology ensures precise, multi-pass coverage for better dirt removal, while Clean Edge Detect targets corners and edges with focused airflow. Its true HEPA filtration captures 99.97% of dust and allergens, and the self-emptying, self-charging base holds up to 45 days of debris for effortless maintenance. The next is Number 6. Eureka Robot Vacuum with Mop. The Eureka Robot Vacuum with Mop delivers smart, powerful cleaning at an affordable price of around $249, making it a great choice for modern homes. Its bagless self-emptying station stores dust and debris for up to 60 days, saving you time, effort, and money on replacement bags. Equipped with multi-cyclonic technology and a HEPA filter, it helps create a healthier living space by trapping fine dust and allergens. With an impressive 4,000 pascal suction, it easily lifts dirt, pet hair, and debris from both carpets and hard floors. Precision LiDAR navigation ensures efficient, obstacle-free cleaning, while the 2-in-1 vacuum and mop system intelligently adapts to carpets for thorough, drip-free performance. The Eureka E10s isn't just a cleaning device, it's a time-saving home assistant. Whether dealing with daily dust, stubborn pet hair, or maintaining spotless floors, its powerful features work together to ensure your home stays fresh, clean, and healthy, without the hassle of manual upkeep. The next is Number 5. Eufy X10 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. The Eufy X10 Pro Robot Vacuum brings premium, hands-free cleaning to your home, now available with a 9% discount at around $529. Its all-in-one station washes mop pads with fresh water, dries them using 45 degrees Celsius heated air, and stores debris in a 2.5L dust bag that only needs changing every 2 months. The large 3L clean water tank allows it to mop up to 2,000 square feet multiple times with ease. Featuring AI Map 3.0, you can set no-go zones and customize cleaning routes for complete control. With 8,000 pascal suction, it lifts deep dirt from carpets and hard floors in a single pass. AI See obstacle detection avoids everyday objects, while the Pro Detangling Roller Brush handles pet hair effortlessly. Epath laser navigation ensures precise, efficient coverage for a consistently spotless home. The next is Number 4. iRobot Roomba Plus 505 Combo, the ultimate robot vacuum and mop with auto wash dock. The iRobot Roomba Combo is a powerful robot vacuum and mop combo that delivers an intelligent, deep clean with minimal effort. Packed with cutting-edge features, it's designed to tackle everyday messes, so you don't have to. Deep, edge-to-edge cleaning. The advanced dual clean mop pads with perfect edge extend coverage by 18%, while Smart Scrub technology offers 2x deeper scrubbing to eliminate stubborn dirt like dried coffee or grime, leaving your floor spotless. Powerful multi-surface performance. With 70x more suction power compared to the Roomba 600 series, a multi-surface rubber brush, edge sweeping brush, and precision mop pads, it handles everything from dust to pet messes with ease. Clearview Pro LiDAR navigation. Whether day or night, this system expertly maps your home for complete coverage while sensors prevent falls downstairs. Precision Vision AI technology. It recognizes and avoids everyday obstacles like cords, socks, and even pet waste, adjusting cleaning routes and repeating passes when needed for optimal results. Smart Auto Wash Dock. Enjoy up to 75 days of auto emptying and 4 weeks of pad washing and drying. The auto wash dock refreshes mop pads continuously and dries them with heated air to maintain cleaning performance. Versatile cleaning modes. Choose vacuum, mop, combo, or vacuum, then mop modes. Mop pads auto lift on carpets for seamless cleaning across surfaces. Smart app and voice control. Use the new Roomba Home app or voice commands via Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant for targeted, customized cleaning. The Roomba Plus 505 combo brings elite convenience and deep cleaning to your fingertips. The next is number 3. Ecovacs Deebot X9 Pro Omni. Intelligent, effortless cleaning at its best. The Ecovacs Deebot X9 Pro is a groundbreaking robot vacuum and mop that redefines hands-free cleaning with exceptional performance, real-time mop washing, and AI-enhanced navigation. Designed for homes with pets, carpets, and mixed surfaces, it takes convenience to the next level. Ultimate hands-free cleaning. The X9 Pro Omni takes the chore out of daily cleaning. With powerful vacuuming, mopping, and smart AI navigation, it delivers a truly automated cleaning experience, no manual work required. Fresh mop every time. Unlike most robots that clean their mop every 10 to 20 minutes, the Osmo roller system washes itself continuously as it mops, leaving no streaks or dirty water behind. Your floors remain spotless, odor-free, and fresh. Blast Airflow Plus 16,600 Pascal suction. Combining enhanced airflow with ultra-strong suction, the X9 Pro delivers over 137% better carpet cleaning. It easily lifts embedded dirt, dust, and pet hair, making it ideal for high-traffic and pet-friendly homes. Zero Tangle 3.0. Say goodbye to frustrating hair tangles. With a V-shaped main brush and tangle-resistant side brushes, hair is collected efficiently without wrapping, saving time and effort. Triple Lift System. The robot automatically lifts its mop on carpets, raises the side brush for larger debris, and lifts the main brush during spills to prevent cross-contamination, perfect for homes with mixed flooring. Edge-to-edge coverage. The extended Osmo roller and side brush reach corners and edges with precision, ensuring no dust or dirt is left behind. The Deebot X9 Pro Omni delivers deep, smart, and truly hands-free home cleaning. The next is number 2. Shark Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo Smarter, deeper cleaning made easy. The Shark Robot Vacuum is designed to redefine smart home cleaning with intelligent automation, powerful performance, and edge-to-edge precision. Hands-free cleaning for a month. With a 60-day auto-empty base, automatic water refills that last up to 30 days, and post-clean mop pad washing and drying, this robot delivers nearly a full month of maintenance-free operation. 5 Power Detect Cleaning Technologies. Tackle every cleaning challenge with precision. The robot uses 5 smart technologies to detect and clean hidden debris, edge dirt, and stubborn stains, adjusting suction and scrubbing intensity to match every surface. 2x better cleaning coverage. Never Stuck technology allows the robot to lift over obstacles and thresholds while it automatically lifts the mop pad when crossing carpets, ensuring uninterrupted whole home coverage without leaving wet messes behind. Smart Dirt and Stain Detection. Dirt Detect identifies dusty areas and boosts vacuum power. Stain Detect recognizes heavily soiled spots, increasing mopping power by taking multiple cleaning passes to remove stuck on grime. Advanced Edge Cleaning. With Edge Detect, the robot blasts air to dislodge dirt from walls and corners during vacuuming. During mopping, it extends the mop pad up to 1 inch for comprehensive edge cleaning. 360 degrees LiDAR and 3D obstacle avoidance. Navigate your home effortlessly with cutting-edge mapping and object detection that adapts in real time. Customizable control. Set schedules, map your home, establish no-go zones, or target specific messes, all from the intuitive app. The Shark Power Detect Never Touch Pro offers the ultimate in intelligent, worry-free cleaning. The next is number 1. Roborock S8 Maxv Ultra Robot Vacuum and Sonic Mop. The Roborock S8 Maxv Ultra sets a new benchmark in home automation with its advanced cleaning technologies and intelligent design. Engineered for hands-free, deep cleaning performance, it's the ideal companion for modern households. All in one dock. This multifunctional dock handles auto-emptying, hot water mop washing, mop drying, self-cleaning, water refilling, and detergent dispensing. It also includes off-peak charging and intelligent dirt detection for spotless floors and hassle-free maintenance. Unmatched suction power. With a powerful 10,000 pascals vacuum, it penetrates deep into carpets and hard floors. Dual rollers reduce hair tangles while integrated scrapers handle hidden debris for efficient cleaning. Edge-to-edge performance. The Flexi Arm side brush and Extra Edge mop reach corners and edges within 1.68 millimeters. Combined with a 185 RPM mop speed, it removes hidden dirt effortlessly. Rise 3.0 sonic mopping system, featuring dual vibration modules and high-speed scrubbing, 4,000 times/min, it tackles stubborn stains and lifts when needed to avoid carpet dampening. Smart dirt detection. It detects dirt intensity and adjusts cleaning modes accordingly, ensuring remopping where needed and extra mop washes for cleaner results. Intelligent navigation. Powered by Reactive AI 2.0 and PreciSense LiDAR, it identifies up to 73 objects and adapts to room layouts using 3D mapping and multi-level mapping. Built-in voice assistant. Say "Hello Rocky" to activate voice-controlled cleaning without needing an internet connection. Pet-friendly tech. Includes video calling, automated pet tracking, and adorable pet snaps, making it perfect for pet owners. The Roborock S8 Maxv Ultra brings futuristic cleaning to your fingertips, so this is the best option for you to buy.